When we have a long list of data with different categories, we always want the fast way to access and sort it. One way to do it is to write in a neat table on a piece of paper. However, that would be a very tiresome thing to do. Thankfully, in our modern world, we now have the aid of worksheets to help us in sorting and accessing our data easily. Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Jerry and I will be your teacher for today. At the end of this video, you will be able to know the basics of navigating and customizing your worksheet. In our computers, we use different programs to sort data. The most popular worksheet programs are Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. For this lesson, we will learn more about using the Excel program since you do not need access to the internet to use it. First, we must familiarize ourselves with the Microsoft Excel interface. I am using the 2019 version of Microsoft Excel from the Microsoft 365 suite. When you launch the program, it automatically opens the first 3 new worksheets in a blank workbook. Let us take a look at each feature one by one. This whole tab at the top of the program window is what we call the ribbon. The ribbon contains majority of the Excel commands. These icons at the upper left corner are situated inside the quick access toolbar. You can customize this by putting your frequently used editing commands. When we look a little further down, we can see the formula bar. This is where you type in your formulas when using your worksheet to summarize numerical data. This very big space beneath your formula bar is the worksheet area. This contains the cells of the worksheet identified by column, headings using letters, and rows that are identified by numbers. This bar at the bottom of your screen is called the status bar. This is where you will see the program's current mode. And it also enables you to select a new worksheet view and zoom in and out on your worksheet. When you want to save your worksheet, print or open other worksheets, you can do that by clicking this button at the top called the File tab. Now, if you want to go back to your worksheets, all you need to do is click Home. Each new workbook that you open in Excel will automatically open with 3 blank worksheets. Each worksheet has over 16,000 columns and over 1 million rows. And if that is not enough, you can always add more worksheets by simply clicking the Insert Worksheet button here. Beside your last sheet tab, you can also add a new worksheet by pressing Shift and F11. If you want to shift between different worksheets, all you need to do is to click the worksheet name in the Sheet tab buttons. Also, if you want to remove a worksheet, all you need to do is right-click the worksheet you want to get rid of and then click Delete. Here is a sample worksheet with existing data. This sample worksheet contains the sales data for a toy shop. As you can see, this workbook has two worksheets. However, you cannot identify its contents because it is not labeled properly. To rename your worksheets, all you need to do is right-click on the Worksheet tab and click Rename. It will highlight your worksheet name and you can type away your desired label. You can also do this by double-clicking your Worksheet tab. It is important to label your worksheets properly so that when you are sorting your worksheets, it will be easier to locate where your data will be. To make a copy of your worksheet, all you need to do is right-click your Worksheet tab and click Move or Copy. Highlight the worksheet you want to copy and then check the Create a Copy box. After that, click OK. Congratulations! You have now created a copy of your worksheet. To move your worksheets for better access, right-click the worksheet you want to move. Then click Move or Copy. A window will appear. Then you can move your worksheets either to another workbook or before or after a worksheet in your workbook. When entering data on your worksheet, sometimes we make mistakes. To help you get rid of these mistakes, you can use the Delete Rows and Columns feature. To do this, all you need to do is highlight the row or column you wish to delete. Right-click and then choose Delete. I hope you learned a lot from our demonstration today. Always remember that practice makes perfect. If you find it a bit difficult to follow the steps, do not hesitate to watch this video again and again until you get it right. Thank you for watching. This has been your teacher Jerry. Stay safe. Bye.